Hey guys, in today's video, you will learn to completely automate your project setup and launch a fully functional server from scratch using the OpenCode CLI. OpenCode is a powerful open source AI coding agent packed with professional features like LSP support, multi-session management, and native support for over 75 LLM providers, giving you total control over which model powers your code. Now let's dive into the OpenCode CLI. Since it's a Node package, we will install it globally using npm. But first, make sure you actually have Node.js installed on your system. You can easily verify this by typing node-v. As you can see, it's already good to go on my end. Next, let's grab the installation command for OpenCode AI. Let's open our command prompt. Paste the command npm install -g OpenCode AI and hit enter. Now the package is successfully installed. Before we start the CLI, we need a clean workspace. So let's create a new empty folder. I will create it inside my documents directory and name it Express app. We are creating this empty folder because this is exactly where we are going to have the CLI scaffold out our entire Node.js project. Let's navigate into that folder now. Then simply type OpenCode and press enter. The CLI launches directly inside our terminal and we get its interface. Right away you will notice the tab indicator on the screen. Pressing tab is how you quickly switch the agent between plan mode for architecting and build mode for writing the code. To access the main menu, just press Ctrl+P to open the command palette. This is your control center. Let's set up our AI model first. I will select switch model. You can see a lot of options here, but for this demo, we are going to use a free model. I will search for Big Pickle. Select it and set it as our default, and right there on the screen, you can see Big Pickle is now our active model. If we press Ctrl P again, we can explore the rest of the features. You can scroll through here to manage your plugins or even tweak your terminal theme to set up a nice dark mode environment. If you want to link external APIs, just search for provider and select connect provider. While there is a huge list of supported LLMs here, they do require your own API keys. Since we are already set up with the default OpenCode Gen provider, we can safely skip this and get straight to building our project. We will begin in plan mode. Now let's include our prompt. I will ask it to scaffold a basic Node.js Express server. I will tell it to create our package.json and index.js, set up a root route and an /API/status route. And finally include nodemon with the necessary start scripts. I will press enter and the AI goes to work. You can see its thinking process right here on the screen. It generates a clear blueprint listing out the files it plans to create. Since we are in plan mode, nothing has been returned to our system yet. It's simply asking if we want to proceed with this implementation. The plan looks perfect, so I'll press tab to switch over to build mode and tell it to proceed with the plan. Instantly the CLI takes over. Watch this, it's writing the package.json and building out our index.js entry point. It perfectly coded our root route with a welcome message and our /API/status endpoint that returns an OK status with a timestamp, all set to listen on port 3000. It even runs npm install for us automatically and provides a neat summary of the finished build. Let's quickly open this up in VS Code to verify. As you can see, our entire project structure is flawlessly set up by OpenCode. Let's run it. Back in our terminal, I will just type npm run dev. And there we go. We have our server running message. To do a final test, let's open our browser and navigate to localhost 3000. There is our welcome message. And if we switch to the /API/status route, we get our exact status OK JSON response with the generated timestamp. If we check back in the terminal, you can even see those GET requests logging perfectly. And that is a wrap for the OpenCode CLI. In this video, we successfully spun up a fully functional backend server from an empty folder in just a minutes, all by chatting with an AI right inside our terminal. Thank you guys for watching this video.